Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I went from this to this. And this is basically a recycled set. So as you can see, those nails in the back, those nails are the nails that popped off. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I adhere them and basically recycle my polygel nails. So firstly, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure my cuticle is pushed back and I'm cleaning up any of that dead skin that I have. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. Woo woo! But anywho, yeah, I'm just cleaning up my cuticles with a ceramic bit. This is a cuticle bit. I'm not sure exactly what bit is called, but this is what I use for my cuticles. This one and like the straight one that has like a little pointy tip. I really could care less for the terms because realistically we're all beginners here, and honestly they gonna get used for nails regardless. So whether I know the names or not, whether you know the names or not, it's just, yeah, if I don't know the names, just ask me which pack that I got off Amazon. I will link it down below. Actually, you don't even gotta ask me, I will link it down below for you guys. But now I'm just using a regular sanding bit and just etching the inside of the nails that came off, getting like any of the oil, any like dirt that I had underneath the nail, anything like that. And I am just going to use alcohol to get that dust off. And then I am just cleaning up the side walls, the cuticle part of the nail, anything that looks off to me. I'm just straightening that up with a emery board. And then I'm just going to now etch the surface of my nail bed. And I'm just doing this so that the tips can adhere. That's why we etch the inside of the tips and our nail beds. So after doing that, I'm just basically going to prepare my nails the way I would if this was a brand new set. So I'm using some dehydrator, some primer, and then we're going in with a base coat. I do 2 layers of base coat. I cure in between each layer. Okay, so I did already put a base coat on this nail and I cured it in the lamp. Now I'm putting another base coat on top of that nail and then putting a dot of base coat inside of the nail tip, and then I'm just going to cure that in the lamp, and that basically is adding extra security. This is, remember, gel cures to gel, so that's why we're using so much gel, you guys. The gel is, you have to make sure your gel is prepped correctly in order for this to work. So I am keeping my clips in real time, and I also went in around the nail that I just put on, and like if there's any air bubbles on the sides, I do go in with base coat and try to jam it in there before curing in the lamp, and cleaning that up before curing in the lamp as well. So now I'm just doing the rest of the nails, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a design next, since this set was kind of, I didn't really need to do anything else because it was already prepped for what I needed it to be. I already needed my nails to be Frenchies. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do some 3D flowers. This is me trying the 3D flower trend. This is not the first time I tried it. I didn't really like the first flower that I did, and so now we're just doing it again, but with some summery colors and seeing if we like it better. And from the beginning, you guys seen the preview, I loved it. It kind of gave like tropical grapefruit. I don't know, but I'm just sectioning out my little 3D circles for my petals, and I'm trying to make sure they're around the same size. So after doing that, I am just going to get some pigment. I am using this bright orange pigment powder to just kind of ombre this nail. I wanted a orange tip ombre, so that's what we're doing. And I do have this little brush. I got this brush from Shein, so it's easier for me to put the pigment powder on there, or even like nail polish, like to ombre the nail polish out is so much easier with this brush. I will find the link and link it down below, but once again, I did get it from Shein. And I also do need to do a nail accessories new haul, because I don't have any new nail art anything. Like, I have to re-up on a lot of things, like even like the little cleaners for my nail beds, all of that. Like, I need to really re-up, so I am gonna do that and then do a haul for you guys. But we're getting into these 3D flowers. So firstly, what I'm doing is using a silicone tip to push down those petals, and then I'm just kind of using the longer side of it to carve out the petals. I did find an easier way of doing this after doing this video. I didn't really like how the flowers were coming out, so I did practice a bit more after I did this video. So I can't really explain to you guys exactly what I'm doing with these petals, but I did what I could. I just really wanted to make sure it was kind of more 3D-ish, so that I would be able to give the effect that I gave on my thumbnail. That was a trial and error. It didn't really come out the way I wanted it to at first, but then I did work with the other ones, so the other ones did come out better. But first, I am just going in, after curing all of those flowers in the lamp, I'm going in with like a cute pink purplish color, and I wanted this flower to be like a hibiscus, like the hibiscus flowers, but like the color that I was thinking of. It was coming out good, but then I just felt like at the end I probably should have added like a spicy color, like maybe like a yellow in the middle or something, to bring everything together, just to incorporate it in with that orange. But all in all, I like how they came out. I'm just using the liner brush to get that pink in there on the petals. Yeah, I'm just trying to work with these flowers, so I'm not gonna really talk much about what I'm doing in this video anymore. Not until I get to like the adding the little gold sparkles and stuff in the middle. But once again, please like this video if you guys have not already, and you guys can comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. I am getting back in the swing of things. I'm getting my schedule down. I am finally knocking out a lot of editing that I needed to do. That's really what's been prolonging my uploading process, because not only am I getting more into editing, but I'm also loving the way I'm starting to love on editing my content, because it's starting to mean more to me. So it will be longer in between videos when I drop, just because I really like editing now. Like, even though it takes me longer and I doze off sometimes, it still allows me to like get my creativeness out, if that makes sense. But yeah, anywho, now I'm just doing the middle of the flowers, and I'm just gonna add those little golden circles that come with the little flowers, the little small 3D flowers, and I'm just gonna add those to the middle. I'm just putting on some 3D What is that? That's rhinestone gel actually, and I need some more of this. I haven't used that in a long time and it actually works really good. But also I did find a hack to do these flowers now, so I am probably gonna drop that next video. I'm not sure. I have a foot video as well of me doing some flowers, some 3D flowers on my feet, but I'm not sure how I liked the flowers, but I will still go ahead and drop that video for you guys because why not? You guys love the feet videos. So after finishing that, I went ahead and cured in the lamp, and now we're just gonna go ahead and get a little bit more design going on these nails because they were looking a little too plain for me. I was gonna stop right there, but I just felt like I needed to add another color to these nails to complete them, and purple was that color. So I'm just doing little dots, and this is what I mean when it was giving tropical grapefruit. I don't know what it is, but something just told me to put dots on these nails. Anywho, please let me know how you guys are enjoying your 4th of July. It is 4th of July when I'm dropping this and doing this voiceover, but I did record this video weeks ago. But yeah, let me know, did you guys eat good today? What are you cooking if you cooked? I'm not really cooking nothing. Probably just making some tacos for real because barbecue, like, it's really, really hot. It's really too hot for me to be trying to barbecue. And nobody's gonna be outside in 100-degree weather. That's just crazy. But yeah, let me know what you guys ate. Let me know what you guys did today. And let me know if you had a beautiful day. We're just gonna speed this little process up, and then I will come back when it's time to put on the top coat. After curing the purple in the lamp, I'm going in with white on some of the petals just to give it a little bit more of a 3D feel. And that's actually not even white, that's actually a light pink. So, but it looks a little white from here, but I definitely did use a lighter pink. And I went ahead and cured that in the lamp, and now we're just topping off with some shiny top coat, making sure every nook and cranny is covered. Once again, this set was already kind of top coated because it was already a set that I had on previously, but because we added all this razzle dazzle to it, we need to top coat it again. And I love how these came out. They stayed on for about, well, this design stayed on for about a week and a half probably, before I went on to the next thing. Let me know how you guys feel about this set down below. Also, you guys can let me know what you guys want to see next as well. A Shein haul is coming and all of that good stuff. Once that Shein haul comes, trust and believe me, things are dropping expeditiously because I have so many things in my brain and it's like I don't have the accessories to do it. So once I do, I'm dropping. Just going in with some cuticle oil because who wants dry cuticles? It's too fucking hot for dry cuticles. Babes, even if you don't have fresh nails, please oil your cuticles, oil your hands. Make sure them things is not crunchy because don't nobody want no crunchy ass hands. Don't nobody want to hold your hand and it's crunchy. Come on, be so serious. Anywho, let me know what you guys think down below of this set. I love it. It's definitely giving tropical grapefruit to me. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.